Gemini, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of March 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading and I will also use some oracle decks. This is the deck that we have. This is another deck that I'm going to dive into. I will also conclude this reading with some messages from Cartomancy. Geminis, just keep in mind that these are all random messages. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March, we have the Seven of Pentacles. It's quite likely that you were planning about the future. Perhaps you had also made some gains. Some of you may have also made some purchases. Possibly you may have invested in gadgets as well. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Knight of Cups. Possibly there'll be unnecessary arguments, or you may also have to deal with those unfounded assumptions this month. You may also feel emotional or quite tensed as well. Sometimes, you may also be in those situations when you feel that you have to surrender to the whims of others. Perhaps you could be a bit more assertive. Nonetheless, in this period or in this month, you may also find yourself dealing with somebody who wants to come in and who wants to broker peace. Perhaps there are disagreements with family members, or there are arguments with colleagues. I'm also picking up, Geminis, that in case somebody is interested in you, that person could keep his ego aside because he definitely has deep feelings for you. While working also, I think you would want to work in a very calm and quiet environment. You don't like raised voices. Besides, you also want everybody to work in a systematic fashion. You don't like disorder, you don't like chaos. Influences for this month, we have the Six of Swords. Certainly, Geminis, you have to sail with the changes. There could be movement or travel on the cards this month. Sometimes, you may feel as though nothing is going to come out of your plans, but then at the last minute or towards the 11th hour, everything will begin to shape up and everything will fall in place. Basically, you have to be prepared to be up and about, and you also have to think on your feet. Another thing, Geminis, I think there could be technical work or official paperwork could also take up your time this month. Largely, you are being called upon to communicate and to strike when the iron is hot. The first 10 days of the month, we have Six of Pentacles. This is another six, so certainly there's going to be some times when you will be exasperated or you may be quite irritable because of people around you. So try to keep your temperament under control, or try to keep a balanced approach towards life. In the first 10 days, you may also feel that expenses are mounting or that money is flowing out easily. You may also be called upon to help or assist your loved ones in this period, but then you will take your time and you will do the needful. Other than that, maybe gadgets could malfunction, or you may also have to cough up fines for official paperwork or for official documents as well. Sometimes you could also be irked on account of the limitations that are imposed upon you by your family members. On the work front, I think you'll be a bit crestfallen, as a preview of your work could be binned or it could be rubbished by those who are interested in it. Possibly your superior or even your client could say that you need to rework on the ideas. Sometimes you may feel as though your creative work or your creative ideas find no takers. Nonetheless, I think your loved ones will lift your spirits by saying that there's always a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. As an employee, I think you should pull up your socks. Maybe you should need to focus a tad bit, or you should have a professional approach because your boss is not too happy with your approach towards work. Maybe he will make it plain that you should look for other job opportunities because you don't fit in. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you may find that the administrator could use you to get inside information. So as a boss, I think you will have to find replacement for workers who quit the workplace. With respect to legal matters, Geminis, I think you can expect positive developments. There will also be food treats, or you may be socializing a bit in these 10 days. From 11th to 20th March, we have the Fool. Certainly, again, this card talks about journey, or it talks about some kind of movement that you have to be prepared with. You have to take your chances, and you also are being called upon to listen to your intuition. We clarify the Fool and we have the Death card change is definitely there on the horizon between 11th to 20th March. So you have to move forward with the changes rather than create roadblocks or try to resist this change, because this will definitely bring an upheaval if you will resist the change that is coming into your life. There'll also be pressing matters that you have to attend to. Work-wise, I think you should lower your expectations a bit. Nonetheless, I think you'll be happy that you're able to complete what you set out to do. Besides, tasks are done quickly. In this period, Geminis, I think you should also make allowances for your clients. As a leader of the pack, you will find that appreciation is coming in from colleagues or from workers who feel that you give them the freedom to carry on the way they want to. Nonetheless, you will definitely give a piece of your mind to those who are errant workers or those who are not professional. You also have to deal with your rivals. Maybe your rival is trying to create discord within the workplace or is up to some mischief, and you will make the management aware of whatever he is up to. You definitely would want the management or the administrator to intervene. From 21st to 31st March, we have the card 10 of Pentacles. It is a material vibration. It is a time when you will have to be more productive. Besides, you will be. Contentment can be expected in this period. I think you will also be somebody who will ink deals very quickly, and you will also get what you desire. Sometimes, you should also cooperate with other people rather than be uncompromising in your attitude. Largely, I think Geminis in this period, you should build on your networking skills, or you should network with other people and build on your relationships. Because in future, these people could help you as well. You will also benefit on account of recommendation from clients. In this month, I'm also picking up the Geminis. There could be outstation work offers, but then it may not excite you as much. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be philosophical, or you could be in a philosophical frame of mind, and you may be interested in spiritual matters as well. That there could be home improvements, or you want to spruce up your living quarters or the living environment. This month, you can also expect gifts from loved ones or from other people around you. With respect to your love life, I have the cards. It's easier to just stay away right now. Most Geminis will be a bit detached in this month with respect to matters of the heart. Possibly you may feel it's better not to communicate with the person to avoid misunderstandings. Or maybe your focus will also be on professional matters, or you're focusing on yourself as well. Nonetheless, you will find that your admirers will go out to woo you. Maybe they will also make allowances for you. Basically, they want to come across as some people who are very helpful and who are like a knight in shining armor, because we did have the Knight of Cups in your reading. Interestingly, Geminis, you may also find unwanted attention coming your way from the opposite sex. So you should be mindful, or you should guard against lecherous members of the opposite sex. In case you are in an unacknowledged relationship, or in case you're crushing on someone, I think there'll be those times when you will be torn between your family members and this person. Maybe you think you should not have had to make such a choice. Largely, I think you are going to be very flirtatious. Maybe the proposal could be in an indirect manner, but you would also put limitations on yourself. So this card, maybe it's easier to stay away right now, seems to suggest the same things. In case you are in an on-again, off-again relationship, this month you are going to be surprised to hear from your person. Maybe between 11th to 20th March, there could be that chance. It could be a very overwhelming moment for you, no doubt. Those of you dealing with an ex-flame, I think this person could also approach you with a work offer. Basically, he wants to rekindle the romance, but you may be disinclined or you may be disinterested, so you think it's better to stay away right now. Those of you who are romancing, or those who are already in a romantic connection, I think maybe you would plan to be with your lover. Maybe you could make those date nights, or some of you, in case there's a physical distance, or in case you live in different places, then maybe you will plan to make that trip to be with your beloved. You may also exchange gifts with the person, or you could have conversations. You definitely have marriage on your mind, but not right now. Perhaps it's not time yet. Sometimes in the relationship also you may find that your person isn't as demonstrative as you would have liked. Maybe he prefers to stay quiet at times. Married Geminis, I think situations could arise when you feel that you are being blamed for no rhyme or reason. I think your in-laws may also say something unkind which could be unpalatable, or it could make you very reflective as well. In this month, I think you will also be concerned about the health of your child or a younger person. We have two cards here from the playing cards. This is Three of Pentacles or Three of Diamonds, which relates to the Three of Pentacles card. So minor gains can be expected for Geminis in this month. I'm also picking up that you need to collaborate or you need to cooperate with others around you. Some of you may also want to polish your skills, or you want to enhance your skills as a worker, or you may think of higher education as well this month. And the card we have here is the Six of Diamonds. This is interesting because the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Diamonds seem to say the same thing. So certainly you may feel as though money is flowing out or expenses are mounting this month. I'll wrap up this reading with the card from this deck which says your time to decide. I think you are being called upon to be more firm about decision making. Maybe you have some ideas in your head and you don't know how to go about it. So Geminis, your angels are asking you to decide quickly about what is it that you want to do. If you are dreaming about bringing about some changes in your life, then this is a time to explore your options and to forge ahead. I hope Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.